Okay, thank you. Hello, I am Imtiaz, a biology teacher at Qaid-e-Azam Academy for Educational Development, Code Lakpur, Lahore, Pakistan. And I am also a researcher at the University of the Punjab, Lahore, Pakistan. The topic of my study is uh, effect of temperature and humidity on Neoscona theisi. Neoscona theisi is an oval spider. These spiders are generally found in the gardens. Gardens in the crops, these are found there. And these spiders are non-aggressive. These are very important in IPM programs. Okay, you can see this is the web that is attached with these corn plants. And this is I got a picture from the zoology department of University of the Punjab lawn. This is a very good picture. You can easily see different threads, and the spider is sitting in the center of this web. Okay, then I got different measurements. Its diameter, vertical diameter, horizontal diameter. I counted the number of circles. I counted the space between these threads, and that is obvious from this diagram. It is a schematic diagram. We can easily find the web parameters. We will discuss in this study about the different parameters of web. So this is the center part. It is called the hub. The spider almost resides here, and then there is a open place. This is called the free zone. From the hub, there are threads are elongated to the periphery. These threads are called the radii. And then the space in between the two spiral threads, it is called the mesh site. And this area that is excluding the area of free zone and hub, it is called the capture area. So we will study four things: mesh height, capture area, capture thread length, and number of radii. So these different parameters are there. Mesh height, we calculate it by using the formula as designed by the Hubstein and so in 2000. Web size simply by vertical diameter multiplied by the horizontal diameter. Capture area will be calculated by Blackledge and Gillespie 2002 formula. And then area of hub and free zone. This is the area of hub and free zone. And after that, it will be subtracted from the web area, and we will get the capture area. Capture thread length is the total thread length starting from here and going to in the circles, and at the end total length we calculate it by this formula. Okay, we will use different tests for this study. T-test will be used to find the differences. ANOVA will be used to find the differences. T-test is used to find the difference between two things, and ANOVA is used when more than two things are there. The software which was used for this purpose, that was Minitab. These are the observations in the field. There were two types of observations in June and July, and November and December. June and July is the warm season, and November and December is the cold weather. So as we see from the table, temperature, there is a temperature difference. And as we see the p-value, it is easily seen that a significant difference in the temperature is there. And if the value is less than 0.05, then that difference is called the significant difference. Humidity, uh, it is not a significant difference between the humidity of these two uh, values, but near to significant. As far as other parameters are concerned, those are mesh height, web size, capture area, capture thread length, and number of radii. As we see the mesh height, here in June and July, mesh height is about 3.8. Mesh height, the space between the two capture spirals. But mesh height decreased in November and December. But and there is significant differences there. Mesh height is decreased in this area. Web size is also decreasing, and there is a near to significant difference. Then capture area is also decreased as the temperature decreases. Capture thread length is also decreased from 1,372 to 1,016, and again there is a significant difference between the capture thread length between the two seasons. Number of radii is also decreased. So this temperature effect is there. If the temperature is high, all the parameters are high. If the temperature is lower down, these parameters, their values are going down. Okay, to check all these things, we did the lab experiments. For lab experiments, we constructed these wooden boxes. The size of the box is as its length is 60 centimeter, its width is 60 centimeter, and its breadth is 15 centimeter. These sizes are made keeping in mind the web size of the spider. We basically use the adult female spiders for our experiment, and we calculated the size of the web, and according to their size, we constructed these wooden boxes. Okay, in the lab, we checked the temperature treatment. We cut the spiders. We collected the spiders from the webs, and almost all the spiders were of the same size. And these spiders are given 3 types of treatments. One group of spiders were treated at 11 degrees C, and that was produced inside the refrigerator. Before the treatments, we satiated the spiders for 3 days to make their energy level equal. And after that, we give them a 72 hours treatment in different temperature areas. In the fridge, 11 degrees centigrade, then at room temperature, 32 degrees C, that was the treatment. And the third group was placed inside the incubator at 37 degrees C. As we observe the different calculations, different mesh height is decreased, but there is not a significant difference is seen here. Web size, that is, as the temperature is increasing, web size is increasing. As we see from this p-value, there is a significant difference between these 3 temperatures. Capture area is increasing. Capture area is increasing, and there is also a significant difference. Capture thread length is again increasing from 745 up to 2093, and this is also a significant difference. As the temperature is increasing, these different web areas are increasing. Number of radii are also increasing. Then humidity treatment. We put the spiders into the wooden boxes, and with the humidifier, we maintain the humidity into different boxes, different. Okay, mesh height as you see in 20% mesh height is this, and as the humidity increases, mesh height is decreased. But there is not found a significant difference even. Web size is also decreasing. Capture area is decreasing. Capture thread length is decreasing. Number of radii is decreasing. So as we observed from this table, as the humidity is more, these web parameters are going to decrease. This is due to the reason because the humidity level is increases, the spider thread goes to the contraction and super contraction. So these things are decreasing. Okay, from this study, we concluded that there is a relationship between weather conditions and web construction. Weather conditions have great effect on the web building behavior of the spiders. Then spiders build radial threads with threads around the hub. They at high temperatures. At high humidity, CTL is reduced due to supercontraction. Okay, I am thankful to the University of Punjab for providing its lab to conduct experiments. I'm also thankful to my friends and colleagues for providing technical and moral support. Thank you very much.
Hi, that was a lovely talk. So why do you think there's more radial threads? What's the point of adding more radial threads on?
Radii, you mean radii?
Yes.
Radii, at first, these are the anchor points. At first, spiders produce a line on the upper side and radii are attached to it. And in the spider web of large size, for its support, more radii are needed. But in some of the previous researches, the number of radii remains same. But in our research, it was found difference. Maybe other types of spiders have some different behavior that is not related to it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.